Hey guys, how we doing here? All you YouTubers and social media fans and followers. James Paradise Lifestyles here. Listen, a lot of people are sending me messages. I'm getting hundreds and hundreds of messages every day now about my new ebook called Paradise Lifestyles. And they're asking me, what is this all about? What is it? What's in the book? Well, it's an ebook. It's very short. You can read it in like probably 15 minutes, even if you read halfway slow. But the book is all about my life story, everything I've done in my life up to the point right now, which is December, almost December. Good morning. Good morning. Hey, say hello. All right. So it's really simple. Download the book. It's free. There's no charge. You can read about everything I've done in my life. And the reason you want to read it is because I've had major successes in my life. I've built close to 9 or 10 companies. I started 9, 10 businesses in my life. Some of them were success. Most of them were successes, and then a couple of them went into failures. Right? Nothing's perfect, but it's a good read. It's excellent. It's great information on how to go from nothing to something. I mean, I've literally taken businesses with literally no money, nothing, zero cash. Had an idea, started the concept, and literally within days started generating income. In fact, one business right here in Mexico, I'm currently in Mexico, right there's the Caribbean Ocean. I'm in the Caribbean right now. I've been traveling the world for about 30 months. I've been to 23 countries and I'm still going. And I make all my money online as a business consultant. I'm an online business consultant, and people hire me to help them start a business or get an idea started, raise funding, and take it from nothing to something, right? They also ask me to help them make money online with their business, selling products and services. That's what I've been doing since 2005, and just recently in the last couple of years, 2 or 3 years, I created this new business, consulting, coaching, and mentoring people. I have many different programs. I have a whole team of people all over the world that are very successful, high six-figure earners, and we help people build an online business within days, literally within days. So I've got all the information. I want to show you how to become successful. Maybe take an idea that you're doing right now, it's not working, and maybe it's working a little. Maybe you're making $5,000 a month or $10,000 a month, and you want to scale that up to 20, 30, 40, 50,000. I've got the system. I have the system. So download the ebook right below this video. Check it out, My Paradise Lifestyle. Read my story. It's short, and then I have a real book that's coming out. It's over 300 pages, and I'll show you how to get access to that, okay? I'm telling you, this information is life-changing. Don't stop reading it. Go from cover to cover. It'll take you 15, 20 minutes, and I'm telling you, you're going to want to hire me and my team, or at least contact us. I'll answer all your questions. So go below and get the book. It's down in the description. So below this video, in the description, there's a link. It says My Paradise Lifestyle. Click on the link and get the ebook. I'd love to help you, and enjoy reading it, okay? And give me your feedback and contact. If you want to contact me, all my information is in the description below. You can contact me email, WhatsApp, phone, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, anywhere. I give everybody every piece of information to contact me, and that's real, okay? 1,000,000% real. Everything you read, my life story. It's amazing the things I've done. Man, and some crazy stuff. I mean, crazy stuff. You're gonna laugh a lot. You won't believe the stuff I've done. So go check it out, man. It's a good read, and I'd love to help you. Okay, click on the link in the description below. I'll talk to you soon.